Tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions. You can put chickpeas as well. Then you put.
What is it?
This is mint sauce from Aldi. Yes. 1 spoon of that. And then you have natural yogurt or Greek yogurt, plain yogurt, any yogurt is your choice.
Where can you get this?
This is from the Asian supermarket.
Asian supermarket.
Yeah.
Where is close?
The closest one is Fry's Hall.
Fry's Hall.
Yeah, on the main road.
It's a Bristol Park.
Yes,
Yeah,
just on the main road.
You can go there.
I'll show you. Yeah. Oh, you know that van that comes here on Thursday? He has it. Thursday, the van.
Can.
He has, can.
나
He has it.
맞다. 나 이거.
Alright.
Yeah, so you put half, this much, yeah. And then have you got milk?
Oh, milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, any type of milk.
Yeah, any type of milk. Ideally, whole milk is best.
It's a semi-skim.
Yeah. So you put half milk and then half yogurt. And then it's your consistency, what you like. And then you put salt in.
So what are you baking now? The Pakistani salad?
This is Raita.
Raita.
This is Raita now, yeah.
Can you let us know the spelling?
Yeah, it's R-A-I-T-A. Raita. You mix it and then you add a bit of salt, to your taste, and a bit of black pepper. And that's it.
Do you have a pepper?
If not, salt is fine. Which spices?
Pepper. But
Yeah,
I think it can be. Yeah, because it's a pepper.
Put it in.
It's still pepper. Yeah.
Just put it properly. Yeah, just a little bit on top. Yeah, pepper's pepper. Bit more.
약간 다른데.
That's it. That's fine. That's fine. And there, all done.
This is the recipe for Pakistani healthy food.
Healthy, yes.
Salad.
Have you got a bowl or a plate? I'll put it in for you. This is for you.
이 샐러드 정말 맛있습니다.
어때?
이 샐러드가 만들기는 간단해 보여도 맛이 정말 제 입맛에 딱 맞는 게 샐러드인데 감칠맛이 난다 그럴까? 그래서 계속 먹게 되는 그런 맛이에요. 민트가 들어가서 그런지 굉장히 개운해요. 끝맛이 굉장히 개운하고 이런 그 신선한 야채가 버무려지면서 나는 묘한 맛이 있습니다. 평소에 샐러드를 잘 안 드시는 분들도 제가 보기에는 정말 먹기에 부담이 없고, 특히 조금 기름진 음식과 같이 먹었을 때 너무 상큼하게 입 전체를, 입안을 이렇게 프레쉬하게 만들어주는 맛이 있어요.
있어.